Hold on. I'll let the puppies in and just hang out here with the tree frogs for a little while. Hold on. You guys go in. In you go. All right. They can hang out in the house. I'll just stay out here for a couple more minutes, listen to the frogs. We are in Vermont, and you can call me the dude. That was Moose and Raven, the puppies. They just went inside. Fulton fan, no face reveal. Sorry. This page is all about the puppies, so I am not going to show my face. You're in Michigan? Cool. How is the weather tonight? Nice. It's warmer than here. We're probably 60 degrees right now, but it was really humid during the day. We had thunderstorms earlier. Yeah, same here. It's usually pretty humid around here this time of year. Oh, the solar lights are starting to turn on the edge of the pond. Oh, there goes another. Well, Vermont's been like a rainforest this spring. Pretty much almost every day it's been raining a little bit. That's why everything's so green. The mosquitoes are out. They're not my favorite.